I want to tell you about one of my clients. Let's call her Jade. Jade is 58 years old, and when she came to me 6 months ago, she was completely exhausted. Not just physically exhausted, emotionally exhausted. She told me this: Dr. Anna, I have tried everything to lose weight. I've done Weight Watchers, keto, low carb, counting calories, and I've lost weight on each of these approaches. And every single time I gain it back, and I end up gaining back more weight than I even lost the first time. But it was more than that. You see, Jade's doctor had just told her that she was now pre-diabetic and her cholesterol was going up and she already had fatty liver disease. So naturally, she was so frustrated, she was scared, and she was running out of hope. And she said this to me: I don't want to end up on endless medications. I don't want to lose my ability to travel and enjoy my life, but I feel like I'm running out of time. Jade was at a crossroads. Now, if we haven't met yet, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm a medical doctor and I've helped thousands of adults lose weight and keep it off using simple, sustainable approaches, both in my clinical practice and here online. And today, I want to show you exactly what I did with Jade, because in 6 months' time, she lost 47 pounds. But more than that, her labs completely turned around, and she did it without counting a single calorie. If you give me the next few minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how you can apply this. So let's talk about the problem Jade was having. Why was she constantly regaining weight when she was doing diets? The first thing I asked Jade when I worked with her was, Jade, walk me through what you've tried before, and I want to hear as much detail as you got. So here's what she told me. I'd done Weight Watchers, and with that, I lost 30 pounds in 4 months, and I gained back 40 pounds after I stopped doing it. And then I did keto. I lost 25 pounds with that, but I gained back 30. I've done calorie counting without following any particular diet, and I lost 20 pounds doing that, but I ultimately gained back about 35 pounds. And every single time, this pattern was the same for Jade. She'd start out really strong, she would lose weight, and she'd feel super motivated and excited, but then her life would be like everyone else's lives, get stressful at times. She'd get tired and she would feel deprived. She would told me she'd sort of fall off when she came home from work and she just could not put in the energy to making a healthy meal, and she ended up reaching for things she knew were not supporting her weight loss. And because of that, the weight would come back and with more on top. And she told me, I feel like my body is just not working anymore, like it's punishing me for trying every single time. But here's what I told Jade. I said, Jade, your body is not broken. Your body's actually doing what it was designed to do, which is to protect you. Because every diet you've been on has put your body into what I call survival mode. Now let me explain. This is also going to help us understand why diets stop working for most folks. When you drastically cut calories, your body doesn't start thinking, oh, great, we're losing weight. This is awesome. This is what I want. Instead, your body's actually thinking, no, we're starving. This is dangerous. So it does what it's designed to do. It slows down your metabolism to save you energy. It increases your hunger hormones to try to make you eat more. It holds on to fat as protection. This is how our biology is set up. It's trying to conserve our energy because it doesn't know when it's going to get energy the next time. And the thing is, after age 50, this response can be even stronger in folks. So your body is actually more protective. Your metabolism becomes more sensitive. Recovery can often take longer. So when you fall off of your diet and you start eating the way you used to again, your body's going to hold on to every single calorie even tighter than before you did the diet, because it's trying to prepare you for the next famine. And that is the way our biology was designed. So this is why people are so frequently saying, yeah, I lost 20 pounds doing this thing, but then I gained back 30. What's wrong with me? No, it's not that there's something wrong with you. It's because your body is actually doing what it was designed to do. And this is what was happening to Jade. Every diet she did was making her body more resistant to keeping the weight off, not less. Now, real quick, if you're watching this and you're thinking, gosh, I had the same experience as Jade. This sounds like me. I keep losing and then regaining weight. Well, you're totally in luck, because in my free weight loss webinar, I teach the entire Mediterranean weight loss system step by step. You can register for that free webinar at the link below this video in the description. Or if you're watching this from a TV, you can scan the QR code on screen to get your registration. Now, let me show you what I did with Jade. Because what I changed with Jade was a very simple series of steps. Step number one, the first thing I told Jade was, I'm actually not going to ask you to count any calories. And I remember she looked at me like I was crazy and she said, but isn't that how you lose weight? Eating fewer calories than you burn? And I said, yes, Jade, technically in isolation, that's true. And that's what everybody thinks. That's what we're all programmed to follow. But here's the problem. When you obsessively count calories, and this is what most people end up dealing with, you're training your body to run on less and less fuel. As a consequence, you stop trusting yourself to be able to eat for a healthy weight. And eventually your body and your mind are going to start fighting you back. So instead, I taught her something completely different. I taught her how to build balanced meals using what I call the perfect meal formula. This is how it works. Every single meal you prepare needs to have 4 things. It needs to have protein, which keeps you full and protects muscle and stops your hunger. It has to have healthy fat, which will slow down your digestion, reduce your cravings, and give your body an essential nutrient you need for proper signaling. Fiber from real whole form foods, which are mostly plant foods, feeding your gut, keeping your blood sugar steady, and making you full from your meal. And then it should include some kind of a natural flavoring, herbs or spices, maybe citrus, garlic, onion, whatever you like. Components of meals that add potent flavor and very powerful nutrients like antioxidants. This is all while being basically calorie-free flavoring. That is really it. As you can see, there's no counting here. There's no tracking. There's no apps. It's just a focus on getting the right ingredients into your meal so that they're balanced. And here is what happened to Jade. She noticed that even after just a couple of weeks, her hunger was totally less. Her cravings disappeared, and she told me she didn't have this afternoon slump in her energy anymore, which is a time when she was often reaching for a lot of caffeine. So she started losing weight without counting a single calorie because her body finally had what it needed. But that is not all Jade and I did. Step 2 of us working together, we focused on whole foods over typical diet foods. So the second thing I did with Jade was to really just clean up her food quality. When I looked at what she was eating, here is what I saw. And this is so common for people who are trying to lose weight. She was picking low-fat yogurts, but they were flavored and loaded up with sugar. She was eating lots of protein bars, which ended up, unfortunately, being very ultra-processed foods in her diet. She was choosing a lot of fat-free salad dressings. Were kind of full of chemicals and sugar because when they take out the fat, it takes out the flavor. So they add back in salt and sugar. She was eating a lot of frozen healthy meals, a lot of plant-based meals. But we looked at the ingredients together and had so much salt, so many preservatives, so many fake ingredients like fillers. And overall, she kept reaching for plant-based alternatives to proteins, things like these burger patties, which again are very highly processed foods. They had like 30 plus ingredients in them. So she thought she was eating really clean and healthy. But every single one of these foods, all in summary, was giving her diet so much ultra-processed food. And ultra-processed food does 3 things for us. It typically spikes our blood sugar, it typically increases our cravings, and it generally does not keep us full. And we know now from a lot of science that a lot of these ultra-processed foods are linked to several chronic disease states. So what I told her was, Jade, we're going to swap all of those things out for whole foods. Yes, this does mean that we have to do a little bit of basic cooking, but I promise it's easy. So instead of flavored yogurts, we opted for plain Greek yogurt. She decided if she wanted it to be sweet, she could add some of her own honey, but we loaded it up with fruits and nuts, things like berries or chopped apple or pear, whatever was in season. And then instead of reaching for all those grab and go protein bars, instead I asked Jade, make your snacks high protein, whole food sources. So a cup of cottage cheese, a handful of almonds, some hard boiled eggs. Instead of fat-free dressing, I taught Jade to not be afraid of healthy fats. We opted for olive oil, vinaigrettes that she would make on her own at home, squeezes of lemon or lime, fresh or dried herbs on her salads or on her grain bowls. Instead of these frozen meals, we opted for dinners she could make in 15 minutes or less. Pan-seared chicken breast, pan-seared fish, steamed vegetables like broccoli or sweet potato, whole grains in the rice cooker, olive oil and lemon dressing, a little bit of garlic on top. Really simple meals that were easy to make. Instead of these plant-based burgers, I told her, if we want to go plant-based, please let's just eat the real beans and lentils and add the herbs and spices ourselves. Or we don't need to be so afraid of meat. We can get high quality sources of real ground turkey, ground beef, etc. So in summary, these meals were absolutely rooted on whole foods, real ingredients, very simple basic cooking, and incredible flavor. And here's what Jade told me after just the first couple of weeks. She said, the craziest thing, Dr. Anna, is I didn't even notice I had all this food noise going on in my head, but it's gone. I just noticed I'm not actually thinking about food all day anymore. That is the magic of eating whole foods. That is what whole foods can do for us. They satisfy the body, they quiet the cravings, they make weight loss feel really natural instead of forced. And not to mention, whole foods, especially plant foods, provide the body with so many powerful chemicals that fight inflammation. And inflammation is unfortunately a big culprit in being overweight or obese. What that also means is that not only can this support weight loss, but fighting inflammation in the body is where we get potentially decreased pain, better digestion, a boosted immune system, better hormone signaling, just to name a few. But that's not all Jade and I did. We then moved on to step number 3, was to fix the regain cycle that she was dealing with at the end of her diets. So of what I did with Jade, this was actually the most important. I told her, Jade, we're not doing this rushed. Believe it or not, I want you to do all of this change in a way that your body can sustain. Because here's what happens with most diets. People dive in head first, they make extreme changes, possibly lose weight fast. They feel really great in the beginning for the first few weeks, but then life gets stressful. They fall off the bandwagon, and that is where the weight regain comes in, and the cycle repeats itself. So with Jade, instead, we focused on her eating enough. We didn't slash her calories. I didn't ask her to count any calories, actually. We just made sure she was eating enough to support her energy, her metabolism, and her life. We also managed her stress. We worked on her sleep. We worked on her starting to say no to different commitments in her life that were not really serving her. And we worked on protecting her time and energy. Plus, I had Jade focus on consistency over perfection. There was no such thing as a cheat day. There was no such thing as messing up because, again, this isn't really a diet. We didn't aim for perfect days. We aimed for consistency, balanced eating, things she could maintain for the long term. So here's what happened. Jade did not lose weight as fast as she did with previous diets, but she lost weight steadily. And for the first time in her life, she did not regain any of it. And this is exactly the kind of approach I teach inside my Mediterranean weight loss system and that you can get access to in my free webinar. It is not just about losing weight fast. It is about losing weight in a way that actually lasts. We don't want you to have to regain the weight. So if you want to learn the whole process step by step, you don't want to miss my free webinar. I walk you through in that webinar how to eat without counting calories, how to stop the weight regain cycle, and how to make this work for your real life. Again, to register, the link is below this video in the description, where you can scan the QR code right here on screen if you're watching from a TV. So let's now reveal Jade's overall results. So as I mentioned, I worked with Jade for 6 months. Let's zoom forward ahead in time from the time that she started with me. 6 months later, she lost a total of 47 pounds. But more importantly, her labs changed too. She shared with me that her prediabetes number reversed and it became normal. Also, some of her cholesterol markers came down, and her doctor told her that her fatty liver was starting to improve. She also got to the point where she was able to decrease the dose of a medication and also potentially get off of it soon. She told me, Dr. Anna, for the first time, it's crazy. I don't feel like I'm failing my body. My health is actually happening. Like everything is working. She started traveling again, which was a huge goal for her. She was still active. She was still working and enjoying her life. And she was just not afraid of regaining the weight back or messing up or needing to cheat. Because again, this was not a diet. There was no such thing as cheating. She was living a lifestyle that her body could sustain. And that is the key difference. So here's why this matters for you if you're listening right now. If you have lost weight before and then regained it back, if you felt like at some point your body's just broken, and if you're scared that you're running out of time, I want you to hear this. No, your body's not broken. You just haven't been shown how to lose weight in a way that works with your body instead of against it. And that is what the Mediterranean approach does better than anything else. It is not extreme. It is not restrictive. It's not about counting and tracking every single bite. It is about giving your body what it needs so that weight loss becomes natural and sort of automatic instead of something you have to force. And you're going to do it in a way that you actually like. It's fun, it's tasty, and it lasts for a long time. So here's what I want you to do right now. If this video gave you hope, send it to 3 people who you know are also struggling with their weight. Maybe it's your friend, your sister, your coworker. You might be the reason those people finally figure this out, and you could actually help save their life and their sanity. Now, if you want my full Mediterranean weight loss system, do not forget you get it step by step in my free webinar. You want to register in the link below this video or scan the QR code that you see here on screen. And then when you're done with doing that, go ahead and jump into my next videos where you will go deeper on how you can apply this whole approach to your life so you can start losing the weight and actually keep it off. You're not going to want to miss this next video. Jump over there and I'll see you inside.